You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is y equals 4/5. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Group like terms. Combine like terms. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 2 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the y. Divide both sides by -3. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is y equals 4/5.